Welcome. In this session, we would focus on some of the quick techniques to eliminate the wrong answer effectively. And here we would focus on 6 simple techniques how you can effectively eliminate incorrect answers. Now, first rule of thumb is definitely you need to have a subject command, a sound knowledge on the subject before we begin with. But yes, still, if you are left with 1 or 2 questions where you are doubtful, you are not sure, in that case, you can utilize these techniques to effectively score well. So, the first basic thing that you must remember is focus on wrong answers. So, whatever answer you feel is wrong, you are sure about it, just mark it incorrect and then try from the remaining answers. Also note, you must use this technique if your paper pattern is a MCQ choice with no negative marking. But if the paper pattern has negative marking, then you have to cautiously make a decision whether to eliminate the answers and in how many questions you're sure that you must eliminate the answers, right? So focus on what we are talking about, but yes, take a wise decision before you really apply it into your examination. So first is focus on your wrong answers. Identify that this is 100% wrong, this is 80% I feel wrong. So just keep crossing, marking that okay, we can ignore these choices and then try to pick from the remaining choice. Another important thing is pay a good attention on the words that use extreme language. Now, extreme means when I say all of these would be included. Now, there are conditions where there can be exceptions. So, another choice if there is which says that yes, these except these. So, possibly that could be an answer. If it is every like the whole domain being included, that might be a extreme case or a divergent case which is just meant as a distractor. So as I said, definitely subject knowledge, subject command is must, good comprehension skill is required, and then pay attention to minor things in the paper. The language of the question again is really important. Read the words very carefully. Not, except, all, some, none. So these are some capturing words that you must not forget. The next is check consistency within the choices. Now this consistency within the choices is really important because some of the choices could be way away from what is given in the answer. So that is a technique to pinpoint the wrong answers as well. Two of the choice could be similar and possibly one of those two choices could be the answer, but again this is possibly. You have to have a good knowledge and background about the subject, that I'm emphasizing again and again, because besides that, despite without that you can actually not effectively eliminate the answers. Even that would work best if you know the subject, but because of some reason you are either confused, you are not sure about it, there is a tip of tongue, you are remembering but not able to bring that to thoughts. In that circumstances, these techniques would actually help you. The next is the purpose. The fourth important thing is the function or the purpose for what it is being asked. That has to reflect in the answer. If that is not being reflected, then possibly that is not the correct choice. The other thing is the redundancies in the choices. Redundancies, when I say, that means there are similar rewordings, but it is not related to the content. So despite the fact that there is 2 or 3 choices that appear similar, there are chances that there are redundancies in the choices, similar wordings with nonsensical meanings, we could say, or not related to the question. In that case, it becomes pretty easy for you to diagnose and remove those. And then definitely the most important in the sixth one is logic. Apply basic logics. Even questions which are asked in sciences papers could be applied and solved with basic logic and knowledge if you have an outline about it. Sometimes even if you know the prefix and the suffix words, you can understand what this word relates to, and then also you can attempt the question. So there are multiple things that we would involve here. But yes, these were some of the quick techniques that we have discussed. Stay tuned for more important sessions from our side. Feel free to connect back on the number below. Please subscribe.